Ever thought about starting your own business? Maybe you have a great idea, but the thought of all the paperwork and legal stuff is just overwhelming. Well, what if I told you there's a way to get your company registered and your business bank account set up in a single, streamlined process? This is where a tied company formation comes in. What is a tied company? A tied company formation is a service offered by the UK financial technology company, Tide. They act as an authorized agent for Companies House, the UK's registrar of companies. This means that instead of going through the traditional, often complex, process of registering a company and then separately opening a business bank account, you can do both at the same time through the Tide app. The core of their offering is an all-in-one digital solution, primarily aimed at freelancers, sole traders, and solo entrepreneurs. It simplifies the administrative burden by bundling the company registration with the opening of a free business account. This is particularly appealing for those who are just starting out and want a quick, affordable, and mobile-friendly way to get their business off the ground. How it works. The process is incredibly straightforward and designed for simplicity. First, you'll use the Tide app to check if your desired company name is available. Once you've confirmed the name, you'll provide your personal and company details directly through the app. This is all the information that would normally be required by Companies House, such as the director's name, address, and nationality. After you've submitted the information, Tide handles the rest. They send the application to Companies House on your behalf. Most applications are processed and approved within one business day. As soon as your company is officially registered and you receive your certificate of incorporation, your new Tide business account is automatically activated and ready to use. It's a seamless experience that gets you from a business idea to a fully registered company with a working bank account, all within a matter of hours. This integrated approach not only saves time but also ensures that you meet the legal requirement of having a separate bank account for your limited company from day one. You also get immediate access to the various financial management tools that are part of the Tide platform, like invoicing, expense tracking, and accounting integrations. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.